where am I? Okay.
Yeah, none of the Broly's made it in. They're all out there doing their Broly
That's a good
thing.
question. I wasn't looking. I was looking at my phone for a bit. What happened? Oh dear.
Phantom finally hit the button.
Oh.
You finally hit the button and none of the Broly's came.
I'm doing.
Well, that answered that question, who the killer is. Let's just go ahead and vote him out. Well, I wonder who it could be.
Damn, we both hit that.
3 of them dead, not 4, not 2. But it's not me.
Mally, are you gonna vote or are you just gonna stand?
Nah, I'm just here.
I'm clicking this. I'm clicking vote, Skip.
I don't think you're gonna survive, Nike. No, you're not gonna survive. Not gonna survive.
Did you call me Nike?
Yes, I did. I did. I called you Nike. Wait, what? There's another one? Phantom, I don't trust you.
If it was, what I but no.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I don't know who to vote.
Bad feeling y'all voted for me.
I did.
Don't look at me.
Go do tasks.
I'm looking at you.
Fine, fine. Do it again. I can't hit the button. I can't hit the button. Thank you.
That believed me that time.
There, you happy? I voted for him.
Oh. Okay, I think we might be wrong, but...
No.
Everybody. Hey. Your
My
body
bad,
was just
Noah.
gone.
My bad.
Huh.
I totally didn't crash. 100%
You're gonna
didn't.
get stabbed 1,000 times.
Yeah,
100%.
sure. Oh, the fact that
How
none
many,
of y'all Broly's came in that round.
Yeah. So, how
'cause
many
I
videos do you
crashed.
have me and this dumbass?
I really don't know. I just have like 32 videos on. You just gotta look at them all and see where you're at.
I'm probably in a lot of them. I hang out with
and
you almost every day.
Yeah, and then you got my dumbass about to get into a video for the first time in my life.
I don't know what happened.
I
By
didn't
doing
do it.
this.
This is all of their stuff. Now, every once in a while, I'll get on
I'm
the
gonna join
spicy
last
alley
video.
and just run around as
Okay,
that
you're
and still
fine.
act like a dumbass. But they'll still have me in that. It's
You know
kinda
what?
funny.
Luca needs to come out.
That gummit, why can't I ever get imposter?
Oh. That's today, man. Boys, that's behind me.
These fucking avatars, you're gonna crash me.
I'm good. should not know
This avatar.
this got this house.
Oh, yeah, when we found that one.
Really?
Son of a bitch, it's me! What? Fucking misclicked.
I was talking to him
Okay.
and I fucking killed him. Damn it!
Okay, we'll just go with you then.
Okay.
Fuck!
Yeah? Question mark?
We win.
Easy victorious. Hey!
You're a fucking dumbass.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Right, come on.
Did it get some teeth? Did it get some drinks?
Yes, return into the avatar. It just was.
Oh.
Me and my friend found out since the female version of.
Oh, I've been in that was a long time. Dress forward to myself.
Well, I don't actually have that one in my stuff for some reason.
Wait, you have a seat.
What?
You have a seat.
I turned off! Did I not turn it off? Why did I turn it off? Yeah, I turned it
Now
off.
it's off.
I thought I just turned off when I was playing magic frozen tag.
That was hilarious.
Wait, now it's on now.
Yep, now
Now
it
it's
is.
on now.
Hang
Hold on, I can change. Let me change the color of it. Let me see.
I'm good.
Why? Because of the titties.
No, just kind of.
Wait, you never seen a red bird before?
Yep. Yeah. What kind of animation is it? I forgot what animation.
I'm getting a little
Yes, I
sick.
do.
I'm getting a little sick.
Get it off. Get it off. Let me eat. Let me eat.
All you're gonna see in this one is like you spinning around with me on your back, just going in circles.
If there was a middle one, it'd be awesome. I think someone in the middle can light on me, actually.
Okay, I'll probably.
Suspicious mo. I can dance!
Pull out your mirror.
Dino can dance!
No.
Who's on my back? Who's on my back? Who's on my back?
Ride 'em, cowboy.
Look up. Oh, I see, okay. I can't see it because I didn't turn on his avatar.
It's a phantom.
Okay. I'll be below. What up? Hold up, below. There we go.
Take the vest off, you can take the jumper off.
Look at the green dude. There we go.
Katanas, or is it a switchblade? I can't tell.
I mean, I can be red. I can be red, blue and red, or dude, we're gonna color. Hey, it's easier color.
Yeah, you can take the hat off. You can
Oh,
take
hang
the
on.
vest off,
He's
you
still
can take the jumper
AFK at the moment. Hold up. I
What?
got an idea. I got an idea. Hold up.
off. You can turn into a turtleneck if you want.
Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at?
I told myself I need to turn this guy avatar on. I need to turn you on, dude. Hold on. I need to turn your avatar on. I can't see your avatar on. There we go. There we go.
All right, all right.
Hey,
Oh, that's good.
hey,
He's coming back.
Come out when
my avatar's still eternally frozen.
Yeah, take off the vest and jumper real quick.
Okay.
It's literally frozen in the last place it was in.
Top.
Oh, really? I'm gonna be
You're not
green.
seeing it. It's right in front of you.
No tops.
Then take off the vest.
Do you even have my avatar turned on?
Okay, I'm gonna put that back on for a moment. Goodness gracious. I can feel that. Oh.
You can
Easy, we
turn on-
done.
You could take this off and then just put on the turtleneck. Turtleneck.
Oh, now I
Yeah,
feel better.
be.
Look at you,
Yum.
gorgeous.
Yummy.
Shall we head over when you're done?
I had to turn around, and that's what I had to see.
The colour of the mask.
I'll do that.
Yeah, I'll show you.
I see. I see.
Where is Lucas for me?
This looks like I can't jump, because jump's like, if I jump in this avatar, there's one that's like Goliath, not Goliath, but like gliding.
Oh yeah, I'll put it here. Bonk. Bonk.
Oh.
Bonk.
Hey, it's a down mode.
Look at me. Yeah, don't ask why I'm so tall. But colours and then.
Me happy Dino.
Good, Dino.
Man.
There.
So you might as well match my eye height because
Boop if there.
I can't do
that's how
I can't.
the avatars fit
I'm
together.
trying to move my arms on. That's a good question.
I'll take it off in a second. I'll take it off in a second.
Hang on.
Hi.
And then whenever you sit down,
I'm on
legs
stealth
crossed,
mission. Stay low. Stay low. Stay low.
you will be a bit tall.
Boop me if you dare.
Hey, what's up, man?
But I guess
Hey, what's up?
I was turning.
Not plays on my back.
I'm sorry in advance.
It's a
Unstoppable power.
Hey, what up?
Turn that shit off. God damn.
So.
Bloody on a dinosaur.
You need a sword, Broly.
There you go.
I don't need no sword.
That way you can go to Narnia.
Then you done.
Narnia.
Avatar looks much more cool right now.
I'll stay low for a bit.
Because of Among Us, it brings out.
Stay low, stay low.
Stay low. Stay faster. I'm in the ground mode. I'm in hunting mode.
Yes.
Change your avatar again.
I see.
Yes.
Almost pulled out the wrong avatar.
This is my older avatar.
Back up. Back it up.
Yeah, I can tell by the way it looks.
Back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
You done yet? Oh, I would not do that.
I mean, it could be
I would
me.
not do the full head.
But I don't know what outfit I have on that other character. Hold
I
up.
would not do the full
Let me
head.
see.
Ah.
Bit,
Hang on.
Stupid.
I'll be me. But I don't know what outfit, I don't know what outfit we got going.
I just had to leave it like that.
yeah, because it has highlights here.
My head in his box. I smell
good.
food.
Okay, we're good.
Ready to go?
Get out of the box.
Yeah, I'm
Hey,
ready.
Let's go.
my food.
It's not food for you. Your food's over there.
What kind of avatar is that? Jesus Christ.
Me.
I have
That is one thick motherfucker.
Dude, don't even.
And you didn't think to give it to me?
Ah,
How dares?
I hadn't asked. I hadn't
How
asked
dares?
her yet. 'Cause
How
she-
dares?
Hell, I tried showing it to you once, but you just kind of weren't paying attention.
Oh, my bad. My bad. I'm a bit stupid.
So what am I doing?
Stupid.
I can't see.
I very am stupid.
I don't think you are.
I think I am.
Touching my morning room. There we go.
What are you doing?
What's that your hand?
I don't know why. I got very fascinated with the damn knuckle guard.
Can I have some?
I'm a little
ADHD kicking
high
in.
right now. I'm a little high right now.
You got the food?
Yes, here.
Oh, someone
food.
mentioned food.
Hey,
Food. I brought me
There's
some
your
food
food.
tonight.
Nom,
I brought me food tonight.
Hold on. There's somebody here too.
Oh, I can't see. I can't move.
Fucking dinosaur. Let me show this bitch. Yeah.
Watch your head.
Ah, my head. Ah, my head again.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
You concussed me. you
Get off
bloody
the
bastard.
phone.
Bought a dog. Good dog.
Come on.
Good
Just the
Wait,
look
I
that he
was
gives.
trying to play. I was trying to play like this. I was trying to play like this. I was trying. Let's go. Where are my tasses? That's a good question. There they are. Better mind. I'm looking the wrong way. Going this way.
Hey, Vamp.
What? Yes, yes.
Oh gosh.
Guess what?
What?
Tasty. Ooh, tasty.
There's you some
Yum.
food. Yeah, there's you some food.
Yum. Yeah. Yummy, yum. Okay, let's go. Oh, yes, hey, concussion. Ow. Concussion. What's up? What's up? I have my steed. Yeah, I win. We win. Yeah. Good job, man. The Dino in space win. Woo! Celebrate call.
Oh, that was amazing. That was fucking amazing. He's just right in front of you, and you couldn't even. You were just like.
Oh, that's your task. Okay, here we go. Round two.
It's like I was. You just sat there. You're like, I'm so done with this shit.
Exactly.
I think this is the first time I've ever seen you just like, oh fuck, I want to have videos again.
Why would he just do that?
You asshole.
I think it might be you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
Just trust. Trust the
Nuh-uh.
process. Trust to
Skip.
Just trust.
Skip. Skip.
No. Trust
Shit.
me.
Skip.
Yeah.
Dang it. Dang it.
I know it's you.
Where's your proof?
Take it
I have
easy.
an active hunt, bud.
That
Struggling.
doesn't help.
Breathe, dang it, breathe.
Oh fuck, I'm dying. Oh shit.
So,
Yeah, I'm good.
no.
Fuck you. It had to be done. It had to be done. He was a bitch. He was being a bitch to me. He was being an absolute bitch. Had to be done. He was being an absolute bitch.
Nike's not even here. He's on his phone.
Dancing dinosaur, dancing dinosaur, dancing dinosaur, dancing dinosaur. Oh, hey, what's up?
Well,
Dinosaur! Yeah, dancing dinosaur. Hey, you got some food?
there you go. That gummit, still not the killer.
Hey, ready? Let's go. Yeah, I'm not doing cosplay.
Don't trust guy riding Dino. He said what? Don't trust guy riding Dino. Alright. That means the one with the big gun.
Oh, I can't see the bottom. What?
Okay. I don't know.
What? He's not yet.
No, it ain't me.
It's him.
He's the American man.
It's the American Eagle Bull guy.
He fucking
American Eagle.
That's the American Eagle guy. Nope, definitely ain't me.
Smell. Man, it doesn't smell like it. Nah, it smells clean.
Told you.
Damn.
Fucking
Wow. My ride. And another $50 good sir.
The man with the active HUD. You cannot
I'm
your
done.
shit.
I'm
I
done
kill
being a
him.
dinosaur. I'm done being a
Aw.
dinosaur.
Goodbye, dinosaur.
And I'll go for him every fucking time.
I'll be this one.
What?
You son of a bitch.
Oh, no.
You forgot. Yeah, let's go.
See, I'm gonna go for no one.
You're
I'll
floating.
tell you
Let's
that.
go.
Oh, fucking you.
There you
No,
go.
I'm not there. I almost thought you forgot our rivalry. On the way.
You think I'd forget? Fuck you, bastard.
Nike, I turned around and I saw you do that.
Fuck that
What
guy.
happened?
I don't give a shit.
It's Nike.
Oh, there again? I was gonna dance down the hallway. I was about to do the dancing mode. I was about to do the dancing dance.
I just stood there in the hallway and I heard them arguing. I turned around and it was Nike that just killed him.
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Yeah, you fucking better be. I'm gonna keep coming too.
I will get you again whenever it's me.
That's fine. That's fine. Every time it's me, I'm coming straight for your bitch ass.
Don't mind me.
Last time I said, hey, Vamp, hey, guess what?
I'm not big, I guess. No, I should
going.
die. I don't want to die.
Yeah, you're lucky.
You son of a
Dadgummit, still not
You're
it.
lucky.
you son of a bitch.
You're fucking lucky. I come right for your ass.
I died for Anna.
Go on.
Done.
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 That one done. This one.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
Really? Really? Really?
Yeah, bastard. Yeah, really. That's why you
It
can't
was him.
kill my ass.
He really did it.
That's why you
He
can't
did
kill
it.
my ass, you stupid bitch. I
was
know you
him.
did.
Get him,
I'll
get
vote
him.
for him
No.
anyway.
No, it's not me. It
Yeah,
is
it's you.
Vamp. I
I'll vote for
watched
your
him
ass
walk
anyway.
up
I don't
and
give a
do
shit.
it. No, it is Vamp.
Nope, it's you.
It is Vamp.
Nope.
If it's not Vamp, vote me.
It's him.
If it's
I
not
swear
Vamp,
it's
I
vote
him.
think
me
we should
next.
just vote for
Do
Spartan.
Vamp
I think
first.
Spartan.
Spartan.
I think it's Spartan 420.
It's Spartan. It's Spartan.
No
You get it
one's
right there in
gonna
front of
win
me.
this Again. No one's gonna win this again.
Ah,
What happened?
What?
That means
I-
aborted.
Why'd you kill me?
You aborted the game.
Why will you kill me?
I saw you though. I fucking saw you.
Oh, God.
Son of a bitch.
You
I
didn't
was
see
having
shit.
too much fun.
I did. That was funny. You were not alive. I hate this damn thing.
I could do it right here, right now.
Stupid melody bullshit. Fuck!
I hate when that happens. Boo. Hello.
Alright. Well, I feel like I have a good idea of who it is.
Explain.
Oh, God, what did I do? I was in whatever that room is. It's been a while since I played Among Us. The reason why I think it's you is because you're not doing what you normally do with that visor of yours. I've been looking. I haven't seen anything. Let's see what it can. Exactly, which is why.
Hey, Vamp.
To conclusion.
I'm about to go to Prismics for a little bit. If you want to join, you can join. Just kind of chill out.
Alright.
What do I do?
Up to you. Just send a request.
Okie dokie. Bye. What the heck?
I was about to go back to my
No, that was an
grade.
accident. That was an accident. Look at look at our faces. Bye.
What the fuck? What is wrong with my face?
Look at mine. I look like the xenomorph.
What the fuck? I look.
Told you. I told you. I know how you work, man. But, man, I had that easy.
Oh, there's only 4 of us now? Oh.
Do I know?
There's 4.
Yeah, there's only 4 of us.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
I can only count to 4. I can only count to 4.
Not that song! Not that one! Oh god. I'm not talking about that song. I want to hear that again. Oh, dude. Ah.
1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2?
You know what? Go, You done playing that song now?
Maybe.
I did that song a long time. I'm on my phone too. What was on my phone? Well, we'll take my goddamn phone, boy.
Oh. Oh, shit. Oh. Hey, you back the fuck up.
Oh, no, it's not true.
I see you talking, but I don't hear nothing. Oh. Oh, God.
You good?
Yep. Struggling.
Aren't we all?
That's the ODST and the space over here. ODST.
What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor?
What you do with the drunken sailor?
Wait. You just called me a fucking ODST soldier? Oh yeah, it's been eons in the fucking asshole. Call me a damn ODST soldier. What the fuck is it? Yes.
I love how like you kill both of them and immediately leave me.
Yeah, leave you.
Buddy, at least I didn't call you no hell diver. Fair enough, but I ain't no damn ODST soldier.
Bibbity boobity.
That's all I gotta say. Fucking crazy.
Alright.
It's like an Old West thing.
You know what? Fucking bastard. Don't fucking do that shit.
Again. I'm running.
Don't do that shit to
I'm
me.
running. I'm running.
You ain't gonna. Don't ever do that shit again.
Damn, second time in the jump.
He's always like either the killer or the person that controls the things. Let's see, third time's the charm. Let's see.
Are you a killer
Let's see.
again?
No.
Okay, he's good then. Wait, are you sure?
Oh, trust me, if it was, I'd come straight for you.
That sounds right.
I know, right?
What if I were just to...
How about that? How about that, huh? That's me on the pile, lad. That's my last shot too. That was for someone else. Crap. Well, time to get no good.
Well, let's see.
Hey, I did. Well, we had to do my head. Drunken sailor, lad.
That's why I came straight for you.
Like, I blessed with this gun too. I blessed with this too.
That's fine. I knew it was you. That's why I came right to you.
I am standing in 0-0 right now for this world.
Let's see who's on today. Yeah, I have like a crap ton of friends on here, but I don't invite anybody.
Damn it.
Let's see if Cooley will show up. Let's see, Ghost Dust if he'll show.
Me?
Yes. What's wrong? You mean this guy right here?
Minute that way. Oh, well, okay.
Or what are you talking about? Or are you talking about?
The way he's staring at me is creeping me out. And I was like, oh, is he the murderer? I'm kind of scared now.
You ain't slick.
Really?
My boat is big. That bit is. Wow. Oh.
Oh, God.
Don't still have me that long, so what the?
Well, I knew it was Vamp. That's why I kind of just stood there when she came close to me.
He knew it was coming, so he's like,
I
oh,
know
might as well
who
just
it
sit
is
there.
and when it is. See, I know who it is 24/7.
No.
Back the fuck up.
Hug.
What is that?
Hug. 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 Come here. I just want a hug.
I don't give a shit.
Hug. 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 Give me a hug.
Fuck no.
Alright, I just followed that was I'm doing, lad.
God. How close are you?
Well, for me, I've had to head off actually. If someone kill me, I'm gonna head off, but it was hit by the others.
Hey, let's do it just stand with me.
You do. And if I grab that. Oh,
Hug.
get high! The powder! Well, hey, what's up?
Just kept running.
I thought it was. Well, yeah, escape on that, boy.
I'm real quick. You can't really catch this.
Got you. Caught you.
That's because I'm standing still now.
Yeah, still caught you.
Beep.
Yes.
Adios. I'm heading off.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm a little too quick, man. You can't catch this when I'm moving.